Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix audio delay problem on TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, TikTok is a platform heavily reliant on audio-visual content. Any delay between audio and video, like this one, can significantly disrupt the user experience, right? Leading to frustration and dissatisfaction among users. Fixing the audio delay problem ensures a smoother and more enjoyable experience for TikTok users. Because content creators invest times and effort into producing high-quality videos on TikTok, an audio delay can diminish the quality of their content, making it less engaging and impactful. And obviously, by fixing the audio delay problem, TikTok can help creators showcase their content as intended, enhancing overall content quality on the platform. Now, for example, you're experiencing significantly lag or delay audio problems here on the TikTok.com app. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because poor connection or internet connection can cause TikTok audio delay problem. Although it's not the root cause of all of it, but it's one of the leading causes of audio delay problem. Make sure you are connected to the stable internet connection, be it on your computer or on your Wi-Fi when you're using the TikTok app. Now, if that doesn't work, go to your profile icon on the upper right corner and click on Feedback and Help. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is type in your problem, and you can upload a supporting media like a screenshot or a small video that showcases your problem with the audio delay. All right. Once you're done, click on Submit and wait for the TikTok support staff to give a resolution or a response to your a request. And the next thing that we can do is go to, now if you are using an Android device, I need you to click on the app management and go to the app list, and from here type in TikTok. And what you need to do is to delete the cache and clear storage, because it's one of the leading causes of the audio delay problem, especially if you have used a lot of cache data on your TikTok app. After doing so, try to restart your Android device and relaunch your TikTok app. Now, the next option is, I need you to go to your app store and of course click on the TikTok. You need to download the most updated TikTok app, because if it's outdated, it could cause a audio delay problem. Open the TikTok app after installing the most latest version, and then once you are here, I need you to go to the upper right corner, the hamburger menu, click on Settings and Privacy, and from here, I need you to hover down where it says Free Up Space. That is related to the cache and cellular, all right? Click on it, and I need you to click on the cache and the download option, because that could, again, potentially is the reason of the audio delay problem. After doing so, I need you to switch back and click on the Report a Problem. And from here, just go back to Submit a Report and tell them we are having a problem on the audio delay on your TikTok account. Click on Submit, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.